Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes, we're back guys.
Yes guys, we are back. We would like to start off with updating, reminding the guys to enter the car that we have for 600.
Yes.
Please go enter that car.
Yes.
Because there's one for 600 which is a 1 ounce, and
1
there's a
ounce
one for gold, 800 which is gold, and the one for 1,000. Yeah, the milestone which is gold and the silver.
Yes.
So
they
guys, please go enter the 600 giveaway. We will leave a link in the description below of that car. Okay. Yeah, so guys, today let's talk about the crashes, the giant crashes, the so-called giant crashes.
That's true.
That happened throughout our history. Let's just talk about them
on this video.
How
guys.
We can survive. How we can position and survive on them. Yeah. So I think your first crash was in 1929. The so-called
the
giant crash. When they say the 1929 was a giant crash, I feel I don't know. I just feel like laughing. If you've seen the graph, guys, you will see that the 1929 crash. It was just a lamp. It was just a lamp. Just to depress the people. That's all. Nothing major. It didn't do
too much damage.
Drastic damage to anyone. It was just to depress the people. That's all. On that crash, and then there was a 1987. There
is some, but we're gonna talk about these ones.
There may be, so these are the ones that we are going to focus on them, since I think everyone knows about these crashes, the so-called giant crashes. Wow, I don't know what's gonna happen now, but we'll find out later in the video when we talk about the one that we are facing now. That one really destroyed.
It was an eye-opener to the people.
It almost wiped a lot of countries, the 1987 crash. It almost really did wipe a lot of countries. Then there was the 2000 and the 2008. Those were a little bit similar, but see,
it wiped a lot of people. That's why.
It wiped that crash. We can maybe refer to it as a giant
one.
A giant crash. That so-called, they always refer to them as a giant. Especially the 1929. It really makes me laugh when they refer to that as a giant. That was nothing. That was really nothing.
And now that's the one that we are facing now.
The one that we are faced with. Guys.
It's leaving us with so many questions about this one.
The one that we are really faced with, it leaves us with so many questions. What's going to happen? How big is it going to be?
Who will survive?
How many are going to get wiped off with this crash? It leaves us with
questions.
A number of questions, but we'll just have to wait and see.
When you think about it, you're like getting like frustrated and depressed at the same time.
Because when something you don't know how big it is going to be, but you can see,
you can feel
that this will be a giant crash. That they've been so calling those crashes from another years that they are giant. Those are nothing. Those absolutely nothing. This one that we are faced with now, that's the one I would refer to it as a giant crash, because it's going to be big.
Big.
It's really going to be big.
But I think by positioning yourself, how you position yourself, it will make it different.
It will really make a difference. How you position and prep yourself to stand a better chance to survive. Just position, prepare. Yes, guys. But this is not a financial advice, guys. It's not a financial advice. Do your own due diligence.
Yes.
Do your own research, guys. We are not financial advice. We're just having a talk
on the internet.
Yes, guys. So just making one another aware of such things, because the TV will not tell you everything.
Yeah.
They will hide a lot of things.
In the movies and dramas.
Those things, guys. That is how you can prep. Guys. For us, we feel that buying silver, gold, copper, and XRP. And XRP, we really recommend those. And those that can make you stand at a better position.
But also upgrade your security.
Yes.
That's a major one.
Yes.
It's a very major one.
That is really important.
Because you can have all those things, but if your security
is weak,
it's weak. They can come and take it within a split of a second.
Even the people that did not prep will be the one that wants to invade your space and want to take your silver, your copper, your food that you've prepared, because those are the people that are going to become a problem. The ones that did not prepare. Yes, so they will not be in a better position.
Causing riots, causing wars, causing everything.
Guys, because now they'll be in the position that they want to survive as well, you know. But they were not listening to our videos during this time, because to prep, it will not hurt anyone. It would not. Even if it doesn't happen, the major crashes, but we know it's going to happen. Just for argument's sake, that it doesn't happen, you don't lose anything. It's better off to prep than not to.
Actually, you will have more with prepping. Even if it doesn't happen, the crashes, you still have something more than others.
Exactly, you'll be having more and be in a better position, because a lot of things after the crash will go on sale. A lot of things
houses
with this thing that I'm holding in my hand right now will put you in a better position, in a better position
to buy those sale things,
that are on sale, because this will be used by the world during that time. So we feel that if you can buy a farm, buy a farm instead of that fancy house that you want to show off to your friends. I would advise you buy a farm,
because it will give you much space to do most of the things that will help you to prep. Like food, growing your own crops.
Everything. Growing your own things. Put you at a much better position than that house, that square meter. No, try find a hectare.
Upwards.
Hectares if you can. Then that fancy house that you're just gonna show off to your friends, and then
that's it.
Nothing more is going to happen after that. So that's how we feel that
it's a good way to prep and to survive these crashes.
As you can see in this channel, we walk the talk. We have silver, we have gold. It's just the copper. We have XRP.
We got plans of buying copper.
Yes. It's just not easily accessible for us at this point, but it's in the cards. We need to add it to our stack. Platinum as well. It's those things that are not easily accessible to us.
Metal. So we do as we talk.
We just walk the talk in this channel.
That's true.
We walk the talk.
Yes.
Just tell us on the comment below.
What do you think?
How do you see this crash that's coming? How big, how bad it is going to be? How you seeing it?
Who will survive it?
Yes, who will survive? Who
Maybe you got another idea than our one.
Exactly. Then we have. Maybe you might know more than we know. That you can just share with the community, because at this time sharing is important.
Maybe there's something that we're not doing that will also help us. We up for a challenge.
Yes, we're up for ideas. Yes, guys. Okay. I would like to thank our subscribers, guys.
Thank you so much.
And those that watch the videos and the comments.
And those are returning new ones.
The new ones, guys. Thank you. Welcome
to the
family, the community. In this community, we support everyone, each and everyone. We are fully supportive with one another. Yes, we are supportive in this one. Yes, guys, and don't forget the car to go enter the cars, please.
600,
1 ounce silver, and there's 800 gold, and there's 1000 gold and silver. Please, guys, go enter the car.
Comment on those videos.
Comment on those videos as well. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.